So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can how you can clear the data of any application that is installed on your laptop. Now, in order to do it, simply open the settings of your laptop. You can simply find it on the start menu. Open the settings, go to the app section on the left window. Now here in this, click on this option of installed apps. Now here you'll find list of those apps that are installed on your laptop. Find the app that you want to clear the data for. For example, let's say if I select the Spotify now, simply click on this option, three dots, and go to advanced options. And here, when you scroll down, you'll see this option of reset that says it if this app still isn't working right, reset it. That app's data will be deleted. That means all your data from the apps will be deleted. That simply means clearing the data of application. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.